On a sunny day, we went to play. Me and my puppy ran away. I threw the ball, it rolled so far. My puppy ran like a little star. Run, 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 run so fast. Oh, 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 the ball is lost. Where did it go? What do we do? My little puppy looks at me. Two, sniff, sniff, sniff on the ground. Puppy follows every sound. Oh, oh, oh. Now stop right there. A road is near.
Right, puppy.
We must take care. Stop and wait, look, left, right. Hold my hand, we cross it right. Cars go fast, we don't run.